On February 22nd, around 13:30 local time, a magnitude 4.8 earthquake hit Nepal. The epicenter was at a depth of 10 kilometers, 83 kilometers from DPO Silgodi. The tremors were felt in parts of northern India, including the national capital region of Delhi and the states of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Residents of the capital are sharing videos of ceiling fans and household items shaking during the aftershocks. Despite little hesitation, some people ran out of their homes and offices for safety. No damage has yet been reported. There have been several earthquakes in Nepal over the past few months. Earlier, on January 24th, a 5.8 magnitude earthquake hit Nepal, causing at least 3 houses to collapse.